Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, June 5, 2025. Judy Ann pinarangalan ng Senado matapos mag-Best Actress sa Portugal. Kinilala at binigyang parangal ng Senado ang soap opera queen na si Judy Ann Santos matapos magwaging Best Actress sa isang International Film Festival. Si Juday ang itinanghal na pinakamagaling na aktres sa naganap na Fantasporto Film Festival sa Portugal, para sa pinagbidahan niyang horror movie na, Espantaho. Ang aktor at politikong si Senador Jinggoy Estrada ang naghain ng Senate Resolution No. 1320 na kumikilala sa talento at husay ni Judy Ann bilang isang Pinay artist na kinilala sa ibang bansa. Her Best Actress win in Fantasporto, her second International Best Actress trophy following the recognition from Cairo Film Festival in 2019 for the movie Mindanao, proves her range and versatility as an actress who can not only make audiences cry buckets for her dramatic portrayals as a true royalty of Pinoy soap opera or hold her own as a female lead in action sequences, including our very own tandem, but can also send chills and suspense in horror blockbusters, ang pahayag ni Senator Jinggoy. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, this is another feather in her cap, and a wonderful addition to a shelf of awards that characterized her stellar career spanning 4 decades. Ano pa ba ang hindi kayang gawin ng isang Judy Ann Santos? Top-rating TV star, box office queen, renowned chef, best-selling book author, popular content creator, film producer, successful restaurateur, television host, recording artist. Napakaswerte ng asawa nito. I am truly in awe of her long list of accomplishments and achievements, aniya pa. Dagdag pang papuri ng senador sa asawa ni Ryan Agoncillo, I am one with the Filipino nation in congratulating Judy Ann in her latest success and for bringing our country pride and honor and for putting the spotlight on the remarkable caliber of Filipino artists and creative workers before the international stage. Kasunod nito ay nagpasalamat naman si Juday sa pagkilala ng Senado sa kanyang latest achievement bilang aktres. Maraming salamat sa pagkilalang ito. Isang karangalan ang may angat ang pelikulang Pilipino sa mundo, mensahe ni Juday sa kanyang social media post. Congratulations Miss Judy Ann Santos, from Biyahe y Comida.
It is with distinct honor and joy that I sponsor Senate Resolution number 1320, commending and congratulating one of the finest actresses in our country, Miss Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo, for winning yet another Best Actress trophy, this time from Fantasporto Film Festival in Portugal, considered as one of the leading and popular film festivals in the world. Hindi niyo po may tatanong, buong pagmamalaki at pagyayabang ng inyong lingkod, na si Juday ay minsan kong nakasama sa isang pelikula. Isang malaking karangalan para sa akin na makapareha ang isa sa pinakamahusay at tinitingalang artista sa telebisyon at pinilakang tabing. Ano pa ba ang hindi kayang gawin ng isang Judy Ann Santos? Top-rating TV star, box office queen, renowned chef, best-selling book author, popular content creator, film producer, successful restaurateur, television host, recording actress. Pakaswerte ng asawa nito.
At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!